Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry, India's #1 online study platform. My name is Kamaldeep. I have done BTech in Electronics and Communication from LPU. I have 4+ year teaching experience. So in today's session, we'll discuss about some short tricks of squares and cubes. Square and square roots. These are very important for IBPS RRB 2020. So these tricks are very important for you to crack your exam. So see here, I have in the last class I have told you some multiplication tricks and I have given you some homework. So in this video we'll discuss about those homework questions and then we'll move to the square and square cubes. So first question was 44 into 77. You have to multiply this number, but I have told you just divide this by 2 and multiply this by 2. You're gonna get 22 into 154. Now what you'll get this 22 into 4, 88. Now 8 carry. If you get 8 carry, now 22 into 15. 22 into 15 is 330. 330 plus 8, so it will give you 338. So that's the answer. Now move to the next one. Next one was 56 into 29. So what we'll get? So just do one thing. Divide this by 4 and multiply this by 4. Why I am dividing this by 4? If I divide this by 2, you will get 28 into this 58. Okay. Now you don't know the table of 28 and you don't know the table of 58. So that's why I just divided this by 4 and this multiply by 4. So you're gonna get this 14 into 116. Now what you will get? You'll get 14 into 6. 14 into 6 you get 84, means 4. Now 8 carry. 14 into 11 you will get 154. 154 plus 8, you're gonna get 162, and that's the answer. Now move to the next one. So this was 372546 into this 25. So what you will get? Just divide this by 4. You will get 9 4s are 36. Now 3 4s are 12. Now 13 4s are 52 and 6 4s are 24 and remainder is 2. It means 50. So this is the answer. I have told the exact trick in the last video, so please watch that video to know these tricks. So just here, if you have 57131 into 25, just divide this by 4. What do you get? You will get 14 into 4, 56. Now 1 carry. Now 2, you will get 3 carry. Now 8, we will get 1 carry and 2. Okay, now we'll get 3 carry. So answer will be 75. I hope this concept is clear to you. Okay, now move to the next one. What was your next homework? So your next homework was 91 into 92. What you're gonna get? This one is -9, this one is -8. So you're gonna get plus 72. Now subtract this 9 from 92 or subtract this 8 from 91. What you'll get? So 92 minus 9, you'll get 83. So this one is the answer. Now next one, 93 into 83. So what you'll get? This one 7 less, this one is 17 less. So 17 into 7, 119. But you need only 2 digits. So 19, 1 will carry. So now just subtract 7 from 83 or 17 from 93. So I'll subtract this 7 from 83. So what you'll get? You will get 76. But there is 1 carry. So you'll get 7719, and that's the answer. Okay, similarly I have given some more questions. 121 into this 108, but you'll get this plus 21 plus 8. So you're gonna get 168. 168 means this 68. Now 1 will carry. Now add this 8 to this 121. You will get 129, but there is 1 carry. So you will get 13068, and that's the answer. Okay, so these are very helpful tricks for your examination. Okay, now just see here, this is plus 17 plus 6, but you get 102, but we need only 2 digits. Okay, now we'll use this 0, 2 and 1 will carry. Now 17 plus 6, you get 123. 123 plus 1, 124, and this one is the answer. Now for next, if I have to make the next, what I'll do, so what was the next? Next was, I think, 119 into this 81. So what you're gonna get, this 19 square. Okay, this is 9 plus 19, this is minus 19. So multiply these two, so you will get 19 square. What will be 19 square? That is minus 361, because this one is plus 19, this one is minus 19 actually. So minus 361. Now subtract that from 400. What you will get? You will get 39. Now just subtract 4 from 100, you get 96, and this is the answer. Now similarly, what was next? Next was 118 into this 82. So this is plus 18 minus 18. 324 minus 324. So just subtract minus 324 from 400. You will get 76, and this 96, and this one is the answer. Now move to the next one. Suppose you have this 87 into 107. This one is plus 7. This one is minus 13. What will you get? You get minus 91 actually. So if you subtract that from 100, you get 09. Now you have subtracted from 100. So see here, either add plus 7 to this 87 or subtract 13 from this 107. In both cases, you will get 87 plus 7, you will get 94, and just subtract 1 from that, so you will get 9309, and that's the answer. What is next? 116 to 94, 96 actually. So what you'll get, this one is plus 16, this one is minus 6. So if you multiply, minus 4, if you multiply these two, you will get minus 64. Now subtract 64 from 100, you will get 36. And now what you will get? You will get how much? This one is 16 minus 4. Okay, so 116 minus 4. What you will get? You will get 112. Or you can do one thing, just add this 16 to 96. In both cases, you're gonna get 112. Now if you get 112, then subtract 1 from that, you'll get 11136, and this one is the answer. I hope this concept is clear to you. Now this was the homework from last video. Now move to the today's topic. So what's today's topic? We have some squares, we have some tricks of squares and square root. Square roots. Okay, so first of all, we'll discuss about some squares. There is one thing you need to know, that you need to learn at least 1 to 25 squares. Squares from where? From 1 to 25. At least these squares you should have learned, or you can learn from 1 to 30. But minimum 1 to 25 you have to learn for you to use these tricks. Okay. Now what is the trick? Suppose you have to find the square of this 49. Or first of all, I'll tell you, there are two bases. First of all, you will take this base 50, and now if you have to find the square of this 49. So how will do that? The square of 49. See here, 49 is how much less than 50? This one is 1 less. Just do one thing, square of that one, you will get 0, 1. Actually, you have to make 2 digits here. So what is your first step? You have to find the square of this 49. So first of all, you will check 49 is how much less than 50, that is 1 less than 50. Then you will do square of 1, you will getting 0, 1 and 0, 1, because you have to make 2 digits here. Now see one thing, just subtract that one, this one, from this 25, you're gonna get 2401, and that's the answer. What's the next? This one is very easy concept. Actually, there are lots of method to find the square, but I am giving you the best trick. This one is the best trick. Okay, all other tricks, in all other tricks you need some extra time. Okay, you will take almost 2 to 3 seconds extra from this concept. So see here, if you want to find the 47 square, this 47, how much less than 50? This 3 less. 3 less means 3 square is 09. Now subtract 3 from 25. You're gonna get 2209. That's the answer. if you want to find the square of this 41, 9 less than 50, 9 square is 81. Just subtract 9 from this 25. What you'll get? You'll get 1681. That's the answer. Now move to the next. Suppose you have to find 46. How much less? 4 less. 4 square is 16. Just subtract 4 from 25. You're gonna get 2126. That's the answer. Because here you have single digit, so you were using 0 9, but here you have 2 digits, so no need to use the 0. Okay, so this one is 2116. Now move to the next one. Suppose you have to find the square of this 37. This is 13 less than 50, so 13 square is 169. Now you have 3 digits, but we have to use only 2. So now just subtract this 13 from 25. What you will get 12, and just this 1 will carry to this 12. You will get 1369, and that's the answer. See one more. So if you want to find the square of this 32, how much less than 50? 18 less. 18 square is 324. Now see here, 25 minus 18. What you will get? You will get this 7. Now I'll need only these 2 digits, so this 3 will be carried to here. You will get 1024, and that's the answer. Now move to the next one. What is next? Now if you want to find the square of this 53, how will you get? This is 3 more than 50. Now 3 square is 09. Now just add 3 to this 25. What you will get? You will get 2809, and that's the answer. If you want to find the square of this 57, what you will get? This one is 7 more than 50. So 7 square is 49. Now add this 7 to this 25. What you will get? You will get 32, and this one is the answer. Now suppose if you want to find the square of this 59, what you will get? 9 more than 50, 81. Now add 25 to 9. You will get 3481, and that's the answer. Okay, I hope these concepts are clear to you. Now move to the next one. Suppose if you have to find the square of the 64, what you will get? The 64 is how much more than 50? This is 14 more than. 14 square is 196. So I'll write 96 here. Now add 25 to 14. You will get 39, and 1 will carry. 1 will carry to 39. You will get 4096. Now next, suppose this one is 69. This is 19 more than 50. What you will get? You will get 361. So this 61 you will take. Now add this 19 to 25. What you will get? You will get 44. This 3 will carry to here. You will get 4761, and that's the answer. Okay, so I hope these squares from near about 50, you have understand these squares, I think. Okay, now move to the next one. What is next? Next is base 100. If you want to find the square near 100, how will you do that? Suppose you have to find the square of this 99. So 99 is 1 less than 100. Just do one thing. 1 square you will get 01, and subtract this 1 from this 99. What you will get? 9801. This is very easy and easier than the base 50 method actually. If you have to find the square of this 98. What is this? This is 2 less than 100. Now do one thing. 2 square is 04, and subtract this 2 from 98. What you will get? 9604. This one is the answer. This is quite simple method actually. No other method is this much simple. Next one. Next one is you have this 92. How much less than 100? 8 less. 8 square will be what? 64. Just subtract 8 from this 92. What you will get? You will get 8464, and that's the answer. This one is quite simple trick, and this is very useful in your exam. Okay, now move to the next one. Suppose you have to find this 87. This one is 13 less. 13 less means 169. Now do one thing. Subtract this 13 from 87. What you will get? You will get 76. Sorry, you will get 74. This 1 will carry here. You're gonna get 7569, and this one is the answer. I hope this one is clear to you. Suppose you have to find the square of this 82. 82 is 18 less than 100. You will get 324. Just subtract 18 from this. So you will get 64. This 3 will carry here. So what you're gonna get? You're gonna get 6724, and that's the answer. Now move to the next one. Okay. If you want to find the square of this, suppose 76, how much less? 24 less. 24 less means 576. This 76 will here. Now subtract 24 from this, you will get 52. This 5 will be carry over here, you want to get 5776, and that's the answer. So I hope this concept is clear to you. Okay, now move to the next one. What is next concept? Suppose you have to find square of this 106. 106 is 6 more than 100. So do one thing, square of this 6, you will get 36. Now add this 6 to this 106, you're going to get 112, and that's the answer. You have to find the square of this 109. 9 more than 100, you will get 81. Now thus add this 9 to 109, you will get 118, and that's the answer. If you this 112, 12 more than 100, you will get 144. Now just add 12, you will get 124. This will go here and you will get 12544. So I hope this is a very simple trick, and no other trick is this much simple. Okay, so suppose you have to find this 121 here. What is this? 21 more than 100, the 441. 21 square is 441. We need this 41 and 4 will carry. Now add 21 to this 121. You will get 142 plus 4, 146, and that's the answer. 14641 is the right answer. I hope this concept is clear to you. Okay, so this was the tricks to squares, and these all were the squares which are mostly used in your exam. Okay, so do one thing, please write on your notebook squares from 1 to 125. Okay, this is your homework. You have to write the square from 1 to 125 on your notebook and practice these on these squares daily. Actually, if you want to learn this trick, you have to practice daily. If you have any doubt, please comment your doubt in the comment section. Okay, now this was the square. Now move to the next section, that is square root. That one is very important. Square root. And before square root, there is one more thing you need to know. Suppose if you want to find the square of this 25 into this 25, what you will get? So just do one thing here. Multiply this 5. 5 into 5, what you will get? 25. And use just next number of 2. What is next number? Next number after 2? That is 3. So this one is next number, and multiply these 2. What you'll get? 2 into 3. You're gonna get 625, and that's the answer. If you multiply this 35 into 35, this 5 into 5, what you'll get? You'll get 25. Now next number is 4. 3 into 4. What you'll get? You'll get 1225. That's the answer. Suppose if you have to find 75 into 75, do one thing. 5 into 5, 25. Now what will the next number of 7? 8. 8 into 7 is 56. That's the answer. You have to find 85 into this 85. This 5 into 5, 25. What's next number? 9. 9 into 8, 7225. You have to multiply this 95 into 95. This 5 into 5. What you will get? 25. What is next number? 10. 9 into 10. You will get 90. That's the answer. I hope this concept is also clear to you, and these were very easy tricks. Okay, and these are very useful in your exam. Now move to the last one, last trick. And that trick is square root. How you have to find the square root. So see one thing, if you square 1, you will get 1. If you square 2, you will get 4. 3 square, you will get 9. 4 square, you will get 16. 5 square, you will get 25. 6 square, you will get 36. 7 square, you will get 49. 8 square, you are going to get 64. 9 square, you are going to get 81. And 10 square, you are going to get 100. Okay. Now see one thing. Unit place of 1. When you square a number, whose unit place is 1. And when you square a number, whose unit place is 9. In both cases, you will get a number whose unit place will be 1 also. If you square a number whose unit place is 2 or 8, you're gonna get the number whose unit place is 4. Similarly for 3, you're gonna get 9, and for 7 you're gonna get 9 also. For 4 you're gonna get this 6, and for 6 you're gonna get 6, and for 5 you will get this 5. So see one thing here, for 1 and 9 you have unit place 1. For 2 and 8 you have unit place 4. For 3 and 7 you have unit place this 9. For 4 and 6 you have this unit place 6. For 5 you will have unit place 5. For 0 you will have unit place 0. Okay, so you need to learn these things. I hope this one is clear. So if you want to find the perfect square, if you have to find the perfect square, what you'll do? So see one thing. I hope this you have noted down this. So now I have to find the square of this. Suppose 8281. I have to find the square of this 8281. What you will get? 8281. Do one thing. Start from right hand side and make pair of 2, because in square root you will make the pair of 2. Now you have this 1. I have told you when you will get 1 at the unit place. So when you will square any number whose unit place is 1 or whose unit place is 9, you will get 1 at the unit place. So first step is to find your unit place. So you have find your unit place. Unit place will be 1 or 9. Okay. Now next step. What is second step? Now say this one is 82. What will be previous perfect square? Previous perfect square, and 81 is the previous perfect square before 82, and 81 is whose square? So we'll say, sir, it's 9 square. So just write 9 here. So what is your second step? You have to find your previous perfect square. So there are 3-step method to solve this. Okay, square root. So first step would be you have to find unit digit. So you see here you have 1. You will get 1 only when you have unit place 1 or 9. Okay. Now second step. In second step you have to find the previous perfect square of this 82. What you will get? 81. 81 is whose square? 9 square. So write 9 here. So you have two numbers, either 91 or 99. So now you have to choose. Third step is to choose between these two numbers, that who is the right answer, 91 or 99. So how will you choose? So for choosing, just write the next perfect square also. You have to write next perfect square, and next perfect square from 82 is 100. Previous was 81 and next was 100. Now see one thing. This 82 is near to 81 or 100. So choose the near. Choose the near one. First step is to find unit place. Second step to previous perfect square. And third step is to choose the near one. Now what I have to do? I have to find this 81 is near to 82 or this 100 is near to 82. So clearly you can see here difference is 1 and here difference is 18. So this 81 is close to this 82, and this 81 is your small number and this one is your larger number, and this one is your small and this one is your larger. So if this number is near to small, your answer will be small. If this number, this 82 is near to 100, your means near to larger, your answer will be larger. So here you can see this 82 is closer to 81, which is small number. So which one is smaller in these two? 91 is smaller, so 91 will be the answer. Let's take another example. We'll discuss one more example. See here, you will get okay. So there is some technical issue. Let me do one thing. We have to use this black. Okay. Now see one thing. Suppose if you have to find the square of this 6084, what you will do? Just do one thing. This 84, take this 84 out. Now you have unit place 4. So when you will get 4, when you will have a number 2 or either 8. So you will get the unit place 2 or 8. Now 60. So what will be previous? So previous perfect square is 49. 49 is whose square? 7. So I have told you to write 7 here. Similarly, you have write 9 here. You have to write 7 here also. So this is 72, this is 78. Now you have to choose between these two. So how you choose? Just see what is next perfect square. So next perfect square is 64. Now this one is smaller and this one is larger. So see, 60 is closer to 49 or 64. Now 60 is closer to this 64 because there is 4 difference, means closer to this larger number. So larger will be the answer. Okay, so this 78 is the answer for this question. See one more thing. If you want to find the square of this 3136, so see here, this 6 you will get on 4 or 6. So you know the unit place now. Now second step, you have to find the previous perfect square. Previous perfect square from 31 is 25, and whose square is 25? 5. So write 5 here. So you will get two number, 54 or 56. Now say, there is a one answer only. So what will be the answer? So for that you have to find your next perfect square, and next perfect square is 36. Now see, this 31 is 6 at a 6 difference from 25, and this one is at 5 difference from 36. So this one is closer to this larger number. So which one is larger from 54 or 56? This one is larger, so 56 will be the answer. So these are clearly 3-step questions. Okay, 3-step trick I have told you to find a square root, and this is very easy trick. So please practice these questions, practice the square root question daily, so that you will able to solve this question very easily in your exam. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear to you. Now move to the next section. Attempt free daily quiz, live IBPS RRB rank booster quiz, okay, at 10 AM on Entry app. On Entry app, you can attempt this free daily rank booster quiz, okay, and it's free of cost, and daily you can attempt it at 10 AM. In this quiz, you will get this 15 questions for 15 minutes. A link of this will be given in the description box. So go to the description and attempt this test. Now move to the next. Please, if you like the video, please like it, comment on it, and share as much as you can. Okay then, thank you very much.